In this Wix website tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to change your business name of your Wix website. And so if we go to a site that we want to edit, we need to get to the dashboard. So we can just click select and edit, and then just get to our dashboard look here. On the left-hand side, we'll find settings here in the bottom part. And inside of all these different settings, we will find somewhere business info. Inside of business info is where we can change our business name, kind of like our entity. Now this business name and all of this business info will get fed into different things within your Wix website. Maybe if you have invoices set up, or you have some sort of contact form or different apps on there that pull in your business info, that's where this applies. So if we type in our business name here, for instance, I could type in Pixel and Bracket. That's how we can change that name or add that name, and then we can click save up here to save that business name. So that's how to add your business name or change your business name here on Wix.